In 2005, Electrozone Electrical started with a simple goal: to supply quality electrical products and serve the local community. Over the past years, that goal grew from wholesale to EPC services, and now to manufacturing their own adhesives, sealants, coatings and other allied products. As Electrozone grows, energy needs grew rapidly. The existing inverter and battery system began falling short.
We've moved from a 200 square meter warehouse to now a 1,000 meter square warehouse, and our energy consumption has now increased by 5 times. We're in an area with many power outages, so we're left without power from 3 to 5 days.
That's when the team started looking for a solution that would grow with them, something flexible, reliable, and built for long-term operations. They chose the CH2 Inverter and CB2 batteries from SAJ, drawn by its simplicity, scalability, and a unique feature that stood out: 200% PV oversizing.
After doing research on the SAJ system, what stood out for us was the on-site commission with engineers. This product has a 5-year warranty period. It is the only hybrid inverter in the market which can take a 50 kilowatt, and you can put 100 kilowatt of PV solar onto it, which doubles the PV power. If we used another brand, then we would have to install 2 inverters. However, with the SAJ system, we only need 1.
Now, with a stable, scalable energy system in place, Electrozone can focus on what they do best: developing and delivering high-quality products and services to customers around the region.
Also, a few days ago, we had some power outages, and during that time, we still managed to manufacture, although it was limited. However, we didn't have to be at a complete standstill for production. It has brought down the downtime by a lot. We're so happy with it because we want to increase on products and hopefully machinery as well. We're very happy for now with what we have.